I think I messed up. But wait, that's not a bad thing. Here's why growing up poor might be your hidden superpower. First up, they find value in simplicity. Forget the fancy stuff. They know how to find joy in the basics. Next, resourcefulness is their middle name. When life gives them lemons, they make, well, anything they need. Empathy is another biggie. They've been there, so they're great at understanding and supporting others. They also appreciate the little things. A sunny day or a good book can make their week. Craving stability is a must. They work hard to create a consistent, reliable life. Taking responsibility? No problem. They've been doing it since they were young. Resilience is in their DNA. They bounce back from setbacks like a pro. Despite having little, they're incredibly generous. Helping others is second nature. And lastly, gratitude. They celebrate every small win and never take progress for granted. Growing up poor shapes you in profound ways. It's proof that strength lies in simplicity, empathy, and resilience.